Hi you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel once again. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to create this makeup look, which is nude brown kind of a makeup look, and this goes with every outfit, every occasion because you don't actually see any colors. So this is very versatile makeup look. You can just do it and go anywhere, anything. So yeah, this is very versatile and goes with any outfit and any occasion. Basically, if you are in a daytime, you can actually uh, um, use less highlighter. If it's night time, you can actually intensify your highlighter and lipstick. That's it. So yeah, let's get start with this video. If you know how I got this look, please keep watching till the end. I'm gonna be using the Lakme Blur Perfect Primer. This is a beautiful primer, especially for people who have big pores, and applying on the T-zone especially, and my lids to create a base for my eyeshadow, and basically all over my face. And now I'm gonna be taking the Insight Cosmetic Foundation. This is the shade 04. This is a beautiful foundation. It is a medium to buildable coverage, and it gives a dewy finish. It is not completely matte, but it is a dewy finish foundation. So it's beautiful for this kind of makeup look, and blending this all over using my brush, and yeah, just blending it all. It's give me a good coverage. And after that, I'm going to be using the concealer by Maybelline. Sorry for the change in background. Actually the light was like went off, and applying it all over my T-zone and my under eyes, and blending with a dabbing motion, not rubbing. So it gives a nice uplifted look, as you can see. It doesn't make my because my face looks slightly flat, so I want some dimension. And after blending, I'm gonna be set my face only my T-zone area using the Advo Cosmetics palette, taking this banana color, and yeah, just setting only my under eyes area and my T-zone, because I have a combination skin tone and I don't want it to get oily. Taking this brown color pencils from Miss Clear eyebrow pencil, and just brushing my eyebrows and making my eyebrows slightly thicker than usual. I'm not going to be disturbing my eyebrow shape, just following the natural line and just darkening it a little bit. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to be taking this Maybelline eyeshadow palette, the new eyeshadow palette, and taking this color for my as my transition shade for my crease. I'm just blending it all over to my crease, to just warming up my crease. And after that, I'm going to be taking this brown color eyeshadow and just darkening my crease a little bit more, just intensify it. And taking this color bar cosmetic palette and taking the darkest brown color from this palette, and I'm just going to be darkening my outer V area with this color to create a depth, and just blending it all over. And now I'm going to be taking not this yeah taking this matte light color eyeshadow palette, a peach eyeshadow color, and applying it only till halfway through my lid, and just blending it all. And taking the same color bar, the darkest brown color, and applying it all over my lower lash line, and taking this shimmery shade from the Maybelline palette, and highlighting my inner corners and my brow bone. And I'm going to be taking this gel liner, brown gel liner from Music Flower, and I'm going to be creating a winged liner from the same brown color. This suits the look, and yeah, brown color looks amazing. And applying it on my lower lash line as well, my lower waterline, and taking this mascara from Maybelline again, and applying mascara generously on my lashes, my lower lash line and my upper lash line. And I'm going to be taking the same palette and taking this bronzer, the dark brown shade, and just bronzing up my face, basically contouring. I'm contouring my face everywhere, like cheeks, nose, everywhere, my forehead, my chin, my jawline, just bronzing up my face to give it uplifted look and to for the dimension. I'm going to be taking this blush on by Faces. This is a Glam On blush and it looks super cute from the packaging. It's a beautiful color. It's a nice peach color for everyday. It's beautiful, and applying it all over my apple of my cheeks and just connecting my blush through the nose so it looks natural, and taking the same highlighter from the same palette, Oudbook Cosmetic. The palette is very wonderful, and applying highlighter on all over my face, my cheekbones, my nose, chin, everywhere, my forehead, everywhere. For my lipstick, I'm going to taking two color. One is brown color and one is the nude color. Both are from Swiss Beauty Cosmetics. And brown color, I'm going to be applying it on my perimeter of my lips, and nude color I'm gonna be applying only in the middle of my lips, to make it look ombre and beautiful. The combination looks really nice and suits this kind of a makeup look, and just blending it all using my fingers, and yep, that's the look. That's it for the video. I hope you like and thoroughly enjoyed this makeup look, and do subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. Hit the bell notification. Also share this video to everyone out there, and yeah, I shall see you in my next video. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram handle. My handle is somewhere over here. If you create this makeup look, please let me know by tagging me. I would love to see that. And yep, I shall see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, because yeah, that's very important.